Hello, my name is Robert Glen, your debt restructuring specialist in Windsor and Essex County. I can help you solve your debt problems and put an end to the stress that you're under. I can restructure your debt so that you only end up paying back a small portion of what you originally owed. And then I can help you rebuild your credit rating so that you can get your life back on track. One of the questions I'm most often asked is, what is debt restructuring? Well, simply put, it's an offer made to the creditors, often through a consumer proposal, where you only pay back a small portion of the debt that you currently owe. The amount does vary depending upon your individual circumstances, but most often it can be less than 20 cents on the dollar. Once we have restructured your debt, we will assist you in budgeting, credit rebuilding, and providing you with more appropriate money management skills for the future, as the ultimate goal should be to stay out of debt for good. No doubt you'll have questions on your own, so let's talk. Tell me about your situation, and I can let you know your options. The consultation is free.